Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you something. Wait. I'm going to start this video with a disclaimer. So, in case you burn yourself or you screw up your access point, please do not sue me because you ain't gonna get no dime from me. I'll go to jail before I give you a dime. So, this is only a tutorial for educational purposes. So, let's go back to what I was saying. Yeah, today I was going to teach you how to repair your UniFi or Ubiquiti UniFi AP AC Lite. Now, if you happen to notice that your power injector or your PoE injector is blinking white and your PoE is not on, there could be power issues, and I'll get to that later. And if you accidentally somehow inserted the 48 volt on this baby right here, you actually shorted something and hence your access point is not working. Now, I already did repair this one. Well, not repair, I'd make it work, because repairing, I'm not there yet, but I'll show you how to do it. So first, you're gonna need to find the Jimmy and jab in right here and pry it. The way you want to do it is just work your way towards the center, because this thing is, well, the top cover is secured by these 5 tabs right here. As you can see, it's 5 tabs. There's that one, 5. You can count. And the way to get this, you have to put your Jimmy in there and pry out, or you can work your way out holding the outer side. And then when you successfully get that out the way, now I'm gonna come show you something closer here. Now, the problem with your power is the TVS inode. I already got it out. I wish I had another one to show you what it looked like, but it's actually at the end of the video you'll see what it looks like. It's a small iron node like this, but the TVS kind. And you want to remove the one that says D6. What you need for that is a soldering gun or some pliers. I use the pliers because my solder is big, it won't fit in here. Once you get that out, this thing starts lighting. The light is right here, and at the end of the video I'll show you the working thing. So I just wanted to show you what you need to remove. Essentially what the TVS iron node does, it's like it absorbs the shock. Once, I don't know, something happens, you put 48 volts in there. Instead of frying the PCB board, it absorbs that and it fails. And when it burns out your access point, it's not going to light up. It's not going to work. But as soon as you get that out and replace that, actually you need to test it. And I didn't get a chance to test mine because I don't have a tester. But from my research, I know if you take that one out, this baby will start working. I know what happened to this. I put 48 volt in it instead of 24, and it shorted my TVS iron node. But your iron nodes should read anywhere above 1. Yeah, if I remember well, above 1. Anything below 1, that means your iron node is busted. And they're like $5 for 10 of them. So you just buy one and replace it. The reason why you want to replace it, which you just solder it, it's because the next time you do the same thing without the TVS iron node, it will burn the whole PCB, and you don't want that. Now, if you're careful, then you can get away without replacing the iron node, but that's up to you. But for me, I'm waiting for the iron node to come in so I can solder it back and plug this baby on and start using it. There's a different video that I took earlier to me making this one just to make sure it was testing. I didn't want to start. I didn't have anything else to play with, so I guess I just have to show you what I have. Now, if you're just listening to this video trying to figure out the TVS, I know where to find it. It's between the antenna and the Ethernet port. As you can see, the PCB board is held by 3 screws. That one, and that one. And this is the fast antenna. This is the Ethernet. If you look right here, that's where you put your Ethernet. So in between there, and look for D6. It's next to the VR3. It's between the VR3 iron node and the BR2. So the D6 is the one that you're supposed to take out for this to work. Now, again, I'm gonna tell you this: you need to replace the TVS anode, just because if you plug this in on a 48 volt or something happens to your power, it will fry your access point. Now, Ubiquiti UniFi systems are really good. I advise people to put them in their homes, their businesses, especially their pro, just because you have enterprise access points at home for cheap. You know, they're not like the Cisco ones that are expensive. But anyways, I'm talking too much, and all I wanted to show you is how to repair yours, I guess, if you want to call it repair. I guess if you replace the TV anode, that would be repair. Am I thinking that right? Yeah. Okay. So that was the video today. I'm glad you guys are tuned in. So leave a comment below if you like this video. Thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. But I prefer that to be that way. If you have questions, I'm actually, if you don't like following this video, if you think I did a bad video, in the link down here in the description, I leave the instructions on how to do that. And I'm not going to take credit for what I don't know. I give credit to some guy from iFix or whatever his name is, Yang Zhao. I'm gonna leave his website or the link to that in the description, so you can follow along, or you can download the PDF. And that's it. See you, suckers.